Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how can fix LearnDash error you don't provide an API key. Many time we see this error like when we use virtual instructor or other place you did not provide an API key. You need to provide your API key in authorization header using mirror auth. So how can fix it? So for fix, first go to your LearnDash and then click on settings, and at here go to advanced, and at here you can see like AI integration, and inside that you can see open API key. So we should put open API key at here. So forget open API. So forget open API, you can click at here, and at here you can generate your API, and for plan etc, because they provide very like lots of plan at here. So you can choose many plan, Go, Plus, Pro, Free etc. So and also virtual instructor or LearnDash suggest this plan GPT 3.5 turbo plan, so you can purchase this plan. And now I am creating new API key for it, like fix error LearnDash and create. Now I created, now done, and now go to add here and now put. Now if you check again, and now like if I ask this question to instructor, then this error will not come. Okay, and it is giving simple error, not that error. So if we purchase very good plan, because I have only free plan, so it is coming like quota etc. But if you purchase Go plan plus Pro, then this error will not come. So in this video we understand how can fix API key issue. And if you found this video interested, then please like and subscribe to my channel. And I also provide lots of development services: custom WordPress development, WooCommerce solution, performance security, design services, geo directory services, web application migration, and WooCommerce care, WordPress care maintenance services. So you can connect with me also. Thanks for watching.